Hi everyone, I'm Sinead O'Donovan, founder of SRC Health. Join me for a quick tour of our journey to becoming your trusted source of medical compression wear. In 2008, inspired by my own pregnancy experiences, I founded SRC Health to address the need for specialised garments for women during pregnancy and postpartum. We're more than just a brand, we're your support for life. Collaborating closely with healthcare professionals and educators, our patented and clinically supported garments are designed to truly make a difference. SRC Health goes beyond compression wear, aiming to enhance women's experiences. Join us on this journey and let's eliminate discomfort together. Our fabrics are meticulously milled to our precise standards, undergoing independent testing before manufacturing. 3 layers, including an outer shell and 2 of the open-hole mesh lining, maintain compression during motion. Experience effective pain relief with our grade 1 level of compression, supporting muscles day and night and stimulating a proprioceptive feedback loop even while you're sleeping. Now let's talk pregnancy ailments. We've got your back, literally. Let's kick off with low back pain, that very common and constant ache that just gnaws away at your brain day and night. Check out the slide, the green shaded panel in our SRC pregnancy garments, a 3-layered fortress of awesomeness providing continuous support to your lower back and sacrum, relieving that terrible pain. Meet pelvic girdle pain, and this can be the queen of discomfort. Affecting the sacroiliac joints and symphysis pubis, it can make standing, sitting, lying down a marathon of misery. The in-triplicate green shaded back and gusset panel are like undercover superheroes strategically placed to save the day with sustained compression. Vulvar varicosities are a final culprit causing distress and unwanted pressure down there. Practitioners, take note, if a woman complains of pressure down there, she may well have vulvar varicosities. Our uniquely shaped triple-layer gusset panel provides continuous gentle compression to the symphysis pubis and perineal area. Our leggings, with graduated compression, manage mild to moderate varicose veins of the legs. They're beautifully stylish and supportive. The SRC pregnancy range can be worn from 12 weeks up to the day of delivery. An absolute lifesaver also for twin and triplet pregnancies.